In this video, we explore how to effectively monetize Pinterest in 2024. With over 400 million users, Pinterest offers unique opportunities for income generation. The Pintrafficmachine automation tool streamlines your marketing efforts, helping you pin smarter and drive traffic efficiently, elevating your earnings potential. Pinterest stands out as a lucrative platform for monetization, boasting a predominantly female user base aged 25 to 54. High engagement rates indicate users actively seek inspiration and products. This creates a prime environment for marketers, entrepreneurs, and content creators to generate income through affiliate links and product promotions. Pintrafficmachine is a powerful automation tool designed to enhance your Pinterest marketing strategy. It efficiently schedules pins, optimizes keywords, and tracks analytics, allowing users to maximize visibility. By automating these tasks, it saves time and increases engagement, facilitating greater traffic and revenue opportunities for businesses. Setting up your Pintrafficmachine account is straightforward. First, create your profile and integrate your Pinterest account. Explore essential features like pin scheduling to maintain a consistent presence, keyword optimization to enhance search visibility, and comprehensive analytics tools to track performance, ensuring effective marketing strategies. Creating high-quality pins is crucial for engagement on Pinterest. Focus on vibrant visuals and clear, concise copy that resonates with your audience. Use design tools to create eye-catching graphics. Pintrafficmachine can streamline this process by helping you schedule and optimize pins, ensuring consistent quality and reach. To drive traffic and monetize effectively on Pinterest, utilize compelling pin descriptions with relevant keywords and strong calls to action. Regularly share high-quality content to engage users and link directly to affiliate products. Leverage Pintrafficmachine's automation features to optimize scheduling and maximize exposure for your pins. In conclusion, Pinterest offers immense potential for monetization when utilizing tools like Pintrafficmachine effectively. Implement the strategies discussed to enhance your marketing efforts. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on maximizing your income through social media and staying ahead in the digital landscape.